Hey guys, this is K for TechFigure. Now, iOS 13 public beta is available to download easily, so anyone with an iPad or iPhone can download it and enjoy the new groundbreaking features. So, if you want to install the public beta, this is how you do it. First thing you need to do is go to Safari and then go to betaapple.com, and here I have the iPad 6th generation. Now the process is the same for iPads and iPhones. Once you're at betaapple.com, you need to sign in with your Apple ID. Or tap sign up. If you tap sign up, you'll have to log in with your Apple ID and then sign a couple of agreements. You'll then be accepted into the program. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So now I'm signed in. Now all I need to do is scroll down and enroll my device. So it tells us we need to back up our device as the beta version is still in development. Okay, I'm going to click on enroll my device. Scroll down and select download profile. Select allow. It says profile downloaded, close. And then what you need to do is go home, go back to settings and go to general, scroll down to the bottom and go to profile, tap on the profile and then tap install. Enter your passcode. You'll need to tap on install again and then again. Then it will ask you to restart and then you just click on restart. Now once the device has restarted, go to settings, then go to general, then software update, and you'll see the update is available. Now you'll need over 50% of your battery life left or have it plugged in, and you'll also need Wi-Fi to download this. So when you're ready, just click download and install. You'll be asked to yet again input your passcode, and then you just leave it to let it do its thing. And after about half an hour, you should have iPad OS 13 public beta release 2. Okay guys, if you found this helpful, give us a like and maybe even a subscribe for more great videos.